Q6495. The NTSB defines a serious injury as any injury which A. Causes severe tendon damage. B. Results in a simple fracture of the nose. C. Involves first-degree burns over 5% of the body. The correct answer is A. Understanding the NTSB's definition of a serious injury is crucial for accurately assessing and reporting the severity of injuries in transportation-related incidents. According to the NTSB, a serious injury is characterized as any injury that causes severe tendon damage. Tendons are tough, fibrous tissues that connect muscles to bones, enabling the body to move and function properly. When tendons suffer significant damage, it can have profound implications for an individual's mobility, strength, and overall functionality. Severe tendon damage often involves a substantial disruption or tearing of the tendon fibers. This type of injury can occur due to various causes, such as trauma, overexertion, repetitive stress, or accidents. It may result from incidents involving transportation modes, such as aviation, road vehicles, rail, or maritime. Injuries that fall under the definition of serious injury typically require specialized medical attention, such as surgical intervention, extensive rehabilitation, and long-term treatment plans. They can significantly impact an individual's ability to perform daily activities, work, or engage in physical pursuits. It is important to note that the NTSB's definition of a serious injury focuses specifically on severe tendon damage rather than other types of injuries, such as fractures or burns mentioned in the other options. While those injuries can also be significant, the NTSB's definition emphasizes the severity of tendon damage as a criterion for categorizing an injury as serious in transportation-related incidents. By defining serious injuries in this manner, the NTSB aims to provide a standardized framework for evaluating and reporting the severity of injuries in transportation accidents. This consistent approach allows for accurate data collection, analysis, and ultimately contributes to improving transportation safety and identifying areas for injury prevention and mitigation. In summary, as per the NTSB, a serious injury is one that causes severe tendon damage. This definition emphasizes the significant impact on an individual's mobility and functionality resulting from substantial tendon damage. By adopting a standardized definition, the NTSB aims to enhance the accuracy and consistency of injury assessment and reporting in transportation-related incidents. 6496. Notification to the NTSB is required when there has been substantial damage which A. Adversely affects aircraft performance. B. Causes small punctured holes in the skin or fabric. C. Results in more than $25,000 for repairs to the aircraft. The correct answer is A. When an aircraft sustains substantial damage that adversely affects its performance, it is necessary to notify the NTSB. Substantial damage refers to damage that is significant in nature and has a notable impact on the aircraft's structural integrity, systems, or overall performance. The term adversely affects aircraft performance implies that the damage incurred has a negative effect on the aircraft's ability to operate safely, efficiently, or as intended. It involves damage that goes beyond minor or cosmetic issues and has a substantial impact on critical aspects of the aircraft's operation. The adverse effects on aircraft performance may manifest in various ways depending on the specific circumstances of the damage. It can include structural damage, damage to major components or structures such as wings, fuselage, tail surfaces, or landing gear that compromises their integrity and affects the aircraft's ability to withstand the loads and stresses encountered during flight. Flight control impairment, damage to flight control surfaces, control mechanisms, or associated systems that impairs the pilot's ability to control the aircraft's attitude, altitude, and heading with precision. Systems and equipment, damage to essential systems or equipment critical to flight operations, such as engines, avionics, electrical systems, or hydraulic systems that significantly impede their functionality and compromise the aircraft's performance. Performance limitations, damage that leads to performance limitations, such as reduced climb rate, decreased cruising speed, compromised maneuverability, or increased fuel consumption, which can impact the aircraft's overall efficiency and operational capabilities. It is important to note that the adverse impact on aircraft performance serves as the threshold for determining when notification to the NTSB is required. This criterion focuses on the operational implications of the damage rather than specific cost thresholds or isolated physical manifestations. By mandating notification in cases where substantial damage adversely affects aircraft performance, the NTSB ensures that incidents with potential safety implications are promptly reported and investigated. This enables a thorough examination of the circumstances, identification of contributing factors, and implementation of necessary safety measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. In summary, when an aircraft sustains substantial damage that adversely affects its performance, notification to the NTSB is required. Adverse effects on aircraft performance encompass significant damage that impairs the aircraft's ability to operate safely, efficiently, or as intended. This includes damage to structures, flight control systems, critical equipment, and performance limitations. By focusing on the impact on aircraft performance, the reporting requirement helps facilitate effective safety measures and contributes to the overall enhancement of aviation safety. 6497. NTSB Part 830 an immediate notification as a result of which incident? A. Aircraft collide on the ground. B. Flight control system malfunction. C. Damage to property, other than the aircraft, estimated to $10,000. The correct answer is B. According to NTSB Part 830, an immediate notification is required as a result of a flight control system malfunction. This means that when there is a failure, abnormal behavior, or unexpected performance of the systems responsible for controlling the aircraft's attitude, altitude, and direction during flight, it is necessary to promptly notify the National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB. Flight control system malfunctions are critical incidents that can significantly impact the safety and control of an aircraft. These malfunctions can range from failures in control surfaces, control mechanisms, hydraulic or mechanical systems, to abnormalities in the behavior of the flight control systems. Such malfunctions can lead to difficulties in maintaining the desired flight path, altitude, or stability, potentially compromising the pilot's ability to safely operate the aircraft. By requiring immediate notification of flight control system malfunctions, the NTSB aims to ensure that these incidents are promptly reported, investigated, and appropriate actions are taken to address any safety concerns. Timely reporting allows aviation authorities and safety organizations to gather essential information, conduct thorough investigations, and implement necessary measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. This contributes to the overall enhancement of aviation safety. 6498. If an aircraft is involved in an accident which results in substantial damage to the aircraft, the nearest NTSB field office shall be notified? A. Immediately. B. Within 7 days. C. Within 10 days. The correct answer is A. In the unfortunate event of an aircraft accident that leads to substantial damage to the aircraft, it is of utmost importance to immediately notify the nearest NTSB, National Transportation Safety Board, field office. This immediate notification serves several critical purposes. Firstly, it allows the NTSB to swiftly initiate an investigation into the accident, as time is of the essence in collecting accurate and relevant evidence. The initial stages of an investigation are crucial in preserving perishable evidence and securing witness accounts while they are fresh in memory. Furthermore, notifying the NTSB promptly ensures that they can assess the severity of the damage and evaluate the potential risks or safety concerns associated with the accident. This information is vital for the NTSB to make informed decisions regarding public safety and to take appropriate actions to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. Additionally, timely reporting to the NTSB field office facilitates collaboration with other relevant agencies, such as the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to coordinate efforts and resources effectively. This cooperation helps ensure a comprehensive and thorough investigation into the accident, considering factors such as aircraft operations, air traffic control, maintenance records, and human factors. By promptly notifying the nearest NTSB field office about an aircraft accident resulting in substantial damage, aviation authorities can promptly respond, investigate, and take necessary measures to enhance safety, improve aviation practices, and prevent future accidents. 6499. The operator of an aircraft that has been involved in an accident is required to file a report within how many days? A. 3. B. 7. C. 10. The correct answer is C. According to regulations, the operator of an aircraft that has been involved in an accident is legally obligated to file a comprehensive report within 10 days of the incident. This reporting requirement serves several important purposes. Firstly, filing a report within the specified time frame ensures that crucial details and factual information about the accident are promptly documented. This includes information such as the date, time, and location of the accident, as well as any contributing factors or circumstances surrounding the event. The report also captures details about the aircraft, such as its type, registration number, and any pertinent maintenance or operational records. Secondly, the timely filing of the report allows aviation authorities to conduct a thorough investigation into the accident. By receiving accurate and timely information, these authorities can analyze the incident, determine its cause or contributing factors, and identify any safety issues or violations that may need to be addressed. The investigation may involve examining physical evidence, reviewing flight data records, interviewing witnesses, and conducting other necessary inquiries to establish a comprehensive understanding of the accident. Furthermore, the report plays a crucial role in promoting aviation safety. By analyzing the information provided in the report, regulatory bodies and industry stakeholders can identify trends, potential hazards, and areas for improvement in aviation operations. This knowledge can help inform the development of safety measures, regulatory changes, and training programs aimed at preventing similar accidents in the future. In summary, the requirement for the operator of an aircraft involved in an accident to file a report within 10 days ensures that essential details are promptly documented, facilitates a thorough investigation, and contributes to the overall improvement of aviation safety.